Good morning, friends. Railway Group D exam science questions asked on 18/9/18. Science questions. Question number 1. What is the most light liquid metal? Mercury. Depth of sea is measured by fathometer. Which is the largest organ of human body? Liver. Who is the inventor of dynamite? Alfred Nobel. What is the unit of Planck constant? Joule. Who is the inventor of mobile phone? Martin Cooper. 1 HP horsepower. Watt 746 watt. White fiber is in muscle. Which is the heaviest metal? Osmium. Unit of force? Newton. Who made new periodic table? Dmitry Mendeleev. Which group is termed as the halogen element group? 17th group. Which of the ranges is less? The audible range. Ultrasound, infrasonic, ultrasonic, sonography. Longest bone of human body? Femur. Which plant hormone causes plants to bend towards sunlight? Axin. Who discovered RH factor? Landsteiner. Plants that grow in desert are called xerophyte. Lightest gas? Helium. What part of the eye is donated? Cornea. What is the chemical formula of baking soda? NaHCO3. Which is the smallest bone in human body? Stapes. Which acid is present in orange? Citric acid. What is the full form of LPG? Liquefied petroleum gas. Fleming's right hand rule is related to what? Generator. Chromosome in humans 46, that is called 23 pairs. Where does insulin form in human body? Pancreas. What is the pH value of wine? 3.0 to 3.4. Who discovered the hydrogen molecule? Robert Bailey. What is the molecular mass of oxygen? 16 grams. What is the atomic number of magnesium? 12. Voltmeter is used to measure what? Electric potential difference. Ammeter measured what? Current. What is the atomic number of francium? 87. What is the respiratory rate of newborns? 60 breaths per minute. Newborns. What is the respiratory rate of newborns baby? That is called 60 breaths per minute. What is the atomic number of carbon? 6. What is the atomic number of sulfur? 16. Helium belongs to which group? 18. Aluminium, carbon, chromium, iron. Whose Latin name is different? Iron, ferrum. Which gas is commonly used in the balloon? Helium. Thank you, friends. After this watching this video, please subscribe this video. You will get more number of videos from our YouTube channel. Please subscribe and share it to the others. Friends, thank you to all.